International cooperation is one of the important elements in the training of young officers. The National Academy of the National Guard of Ukraine is constantly moving towards Euro-Atlantic integration. The introduction of international research into the educational process is our priority. Significant attention is paid to cooperation with the NATO Liaison Office in Ukraine. Representatives of the Ukraine NATO Professional Development Program implement and conduct short-term modular courses with the participation of international experts. Seminars and trainings on strategic communications, gender, leadership, and public speaking are held with course participants. Representatives of the Integrity Education and Development Program hold annual lectures, seminars and trainings at the Academy. They provide a wide range of information on the principles and standards of integrity and transparency from international security and defense organizations. A working group has been set up at the Academy to implement the program in the cadet training system. In general, the number of courses offered under NATO programs is growing every year, and the experience gained during these courses is being actively incorporated into the training process. Since 2018, cooperation with representatives of the Joint Operational Tactical Group of the Armed Forces of Canada in Ukraine has been strengthened. A number of meetings, seminars and trainings on reforming the educational process were held. Representatives of the Doctrine and Educational Advisors Group are advising on the transformation of the officers' training program. They are involved as speakers during courses conducted by representatives of the NATO-Ukraine Professional Development Program. The Department of Euro-Atlantic Integration has been established at the Academy to summarize international experience and continuously and systematically implemented in the national process. The initiative for its creation belongs to the representatives of the NATO-Ukraine Professional Development Program, the command of the National Guard and the Academy. The main purpose of the department is to accumulate international experience and create short-term courses based on it, on the topics of leadership, gender, strategic communication and public speaking. These courses should later be integrated into the learning process. Our Academy is constantly evolving, integrating effective methods and modern teaching needs, and all this for the main purpose to educate a generation of officers who will represent Ukraine in the international arena, will be able to participate in multinational exercises and work in joint NATO headquarters.